The SimpleSwap team is excited to announce that the long-awaited invite system is finally here. In this video, we'll guide you on how you and your friends can get crypto rewards by using our platform. The conditions for participation are simple and straightforward. If you enjoy our service and want to recommend it to a friend, here's what you need to do. First, sign into your customer account. Go to the Overview tab and you can find it in the menu on the left. You will see a banner about the invite system. Click on the Get a Link button. Once you have copied your unique link, send it to someone who hasn't tried SimpleSwap yet. When your invitees click on the link, sign up and complete their first exchange in our platform, they'll receive a gift from SimpleSwap, $50 in Bitcoin at the current rate. But that's not all. Once the invitee's first exchange is finished, SimpleSwap will activate a 0.4% Bitcoin cashback subscription for you. It'll be enforced in 3 days. This means that during this period, you will receive BTC for your crypto-to-crypto and crypto-to-fiat swaps carried out using the SimpleSwap service. You can always check information about your current subscription plan in the Loyalty tab of your account. The more friends follow your link to swap crypto, the more subscription days you get. Please keep in mind that the maximum number of invitees is limited to 5 per month. Experience lightning-fast exchanges on SimpleSwap and supercharge your profits by sharing their referral link with your friends. Join our invite system today.